Presido Buhari don inaugurate National Automated Shared Service Center. Presido Buhari don inaugurate the National Automated Shared Service Center when go help ministries, departments and agencies of government work well with the people when go dey fast, secure and constantly collaborate with Microsoft to launch digital skills program for Naija people. Presido Buhari come chook mouth on top the wide coverage when the 4G don get for Naija since August 2019 and constantly introduce the 5G network to the country. He constantly talk say this digital economy go help reduce the work burden on Naija people.
As part of these unprecedented achievements, the sector generated over 547 million United States dollars from the auctioning of the 5G spectrum alone. We increased our 4G base stations from 13,823 to 36,751, and this has increased the percentage of 4G coverage across the country from 23% to 77.52% from August 2019 to date. We have also followed this up with the rollout of 5G services.
Presido Buhari constantly talk say
to ensure that the digital economy sector remains successful and in order to reduce the burden on citizens, I recently approved the suspension of the proposed exercise duty in the telecom sector, as any initiative that will lead to hardship for the citizens will not be pursued.
Professor Issa Ali Patami, when be the Minister for Communication and Digital Economy, control salute give the Presido for his support to ICT for Nigeria.
Only within your second term in office, you have set up 3 new records when it comes to the diversification of our economy by leveraging more on the knowledge-based economy. The quarterly contribution of ICT to our revenue generation in Nigeria was approximately 51 billion naira. As of today, based on an independent assessment, the quarterly contribution has catapulted to 418 billion naira.
President Buhari constantly present award give the best Naija startups for Dubai. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. Not saying I'm giving any politician an election day.